Hello, welcome to another episode of What's Cooking at Carroll Lutheran Village. My name is Chef Amanda, and I am the new chef at the 205 Dining Room. Today we are going to be making a ham and cheese stromboli. So in here I have some provolone, Swiss, and ham. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take it, and I'm just going to tear the cheese. And I'm going to stack them on top of each other. And then in this other container, I have some mozzarella. And we're just going to put that on top as well. And then we'll put our ham on top of all that. And then really quick, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper to that. And then finally, we're just going to add some of our sauce. And then all we're going to do is take some water here and kind of line our crust so that it seals properly and you don't have sauce dripping out when you bake it. And we're going to fold it over like a calzone. And then I'm just going to roll the crust for another safety layer so that it doesn't spill out. Alright, so now we have our shape here. I'm just going to go ahead and take a paring knife and make 3 little slits. And that'll help cook the insides and also help melt the cheese. And then finally, I'm just going to take a little pastry brush, and I have some melted butter with Italian seasoning and some salt and pepper. And I'm just going to kind of pat that on top. Alright, and then we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the oven at 400 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so our stromboli is out of the oven, looking beautiful. And this is going to be available in the cafe and the bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, tell us what you think, if there's anything you want us to make for you. And make sure to subscribe so that you can see all of our future posts, and click that bell too for our notifications.